Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can become a TikTok ads affiliate. In order to do so, here we are at getstarted.tiktok.com/affiliates. And as you can see, we have a button here that says join as affiliate. So what is an affiliate with TikTok and how do you become one? Well, for people who have an audience of a certain size, and you want to have ads that basically you can use in order to generate more revenue, you might want to become a TikTok affiliate. So if you come here to this site, you can just click on here. You can go ahead and go through the steps. We'll just kind of go through the homepage here just to get a better idea of what you can expect to find as a TikTok affiliate. So here we have TikTok for Business drives results, partner with us. 79% of users agree TikTok is more unique. Okay, so this just kind of gives you some idea there, but let's just keep moving. Benefits of joining the affiliate program. So you can earn rewards, competitive kickbacks on your referrals ad spend, bonus thresholds around specific earning targets, and exclusive coupon opportunities for your audience. You get access to exclusive resources, gain early access to product and business updates, webinars, events, and more. Dedicated support. Our dedicated partner team is here to help you at every step of your partner journey, from quick questions to long-term optimization. Who should become an affiliate? If you are part of an agency, you can earn revenue when you refer your clients to TikTok ads, gain access to exclusive agency resources to help your clients drive meaningful results. If you're a content influencer, best suited for those who create content around e-commerce or digital marketing topics, or who have an audience of entrepreneurs and SMBs interested in growing their business. Strategic partners, partner with us for brand-to-brand activation opportunities to unlock an SMB audience. So that gives you just an idea of the kind of people that they're looking for as far as the TikTok affiliate program. Here are a few case studies, and we have guide your audience to success on TikTok. And there's more helpful resources here that you can take a look at here. So how does it work? How does TikTok for Business affiliate program work? The TikTok for Business Partner Program allows partners to earn a commission when driving new users to use TikTok for Business. All partners must apply and join the program through Impact. Your account will go through a standard approval process. Once accepted into the program, you will have access to promote TikTok for Business and can start earning a commission on conversions that you drive through your website social channels. In your Impact account, you will be able to create your own affiliate links that have unique tracking automatically tied to your account. This way, when a conversion comes through, the Impact system will attribute it to you. So this is just some basic information to how you can become an affiliate and who it is that they're looking for. If you are able to drive traffic towards TikTok, then you might want to consider joining as affiliate so that you can generate more money through ads. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.